that you are here to learn some Messianic Hebrew praise dance. I'm going to teach you Dance With Me by Wilbur, and that is one of my most favorite songs to dance to. And I know you're going to love it too, so let's go ahead and jump in. The first thing you're going to need to know is you're going to take your right foot, your right hand, and you're going to step into the circle and bring your hand up. Then you're going to bring your left foot to meet your right, and your left hand to meet your right. Okay, so let's try that. You're going to go step right, step left. All right, and then you're going to take a step back. And so you're going to take a step back with your right, and as you do, you're going to circle your hands. Okay, so right, then bring your left to your right foot. All right, and do it one more time. Okay, so you do that twice. And it's right, left, right back, right back. Awesome. So from here, you're going to take a right spin. So you're going to let your right hand lead you, right foot. You're going to go, right turn, left turn. Okay, you're going to do that twice. So you're going to go right hand, right foot. Stop, left hand, left foot. Stop. Good job. Let's put all of that together. You're going to go right, left, step back right, turn right, stop, turn left. Stop, turn right, stop, turn left. Stop, and then from here, you're going to do a mime, which is right foot over left, right hand over left hand. Cross, left out, you're going to cross back, and left out. All right, try that one more time. You're going to cross right, left foot out, right foot back, left foot out. All right, from here, you're going to do a Turk, which is your right foot in, and your hands come up. And then you're going to take a step back. You're shifting the weight of your feet. So all of your weight should be on your right foot. You can use your left foot to balance on the back if you need more support, but you're going to do a Turk and then back. Okay, the next step you'll need to know is the running step that we do, which is you're going to take your right foot, your feet are going to go right, bring your left together, right. Okay, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to swap and you're going to go left, right, left. Swap again, right, left, right. Swap again, left, right, left. Keep swapping until you get it. All right, now you're going to add the hands in. All right, so you're going to start with your right hand. You're going to go right together, right, left together, left, right together, right. And then this time you're going to turn. So you're going to use your left hand to turn. You're going to turn towards your left hand, but you're going to put your right foot out, your left foot out. Okay, and then you're going to spin back. There you go. All right, try that one more time. Right together, right, left together, left, right together, right, spin. And from here, you're going to keep your hands behind your back. Your feet are going to do the same thing except backwards. So you're going to go right together, right, left together, left, and you're only going to do 2 of those, and on the third one you spin. So you go right together, right, left together, left, spin, and you're ready to do it again. Right together, right, left together, left, spin, out, right together, right, left together, left, spin, and you're back. Good job. Now you know all of the moves that you need to be able to do Dance With Me by Wilbur.
Take my hand, oh, lover of my soul. Sing the song of